So our today's second speaker is joined Dr. Rahul Shukla sir. Good afternoon, sir. Sir, you are mute. Good afternoon, sir.
Dr. Rahul ji, good afternoon and welcome at ISF College of Pharmacy. Please unmute, please unmute. You are mute, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
How are you?
Yeah, I am fine, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Dr.
So,
Sanjay, please proceed.
thank you, sir. Good afternoon, respected all. For further proceeding, I would like to introduce today's speaker for the second session, Dr. Rahul Shukla ji. Dr. Rahul Shukla sir is currently working as assistant professor at Department of Pharmaceutics, Naipar Library, Lucknow, and he's under top 2 scientist in Stanford list in pharmaceutical sciences. He has been awarded with SERV International Research Experience Fellow for the year 2022 and 23, fellowship at School of Pharmacy and Biomedical Science, University of Central Lancashire, United Kingdom. He has experience as a research scientist at Dr. Reddy Laboratory, India, and DS Kothari postdoctoral fellow at UIPS Punjab University, India. He has more than 12 years of research and academic experience. Sir has more than 135 publication in international peer-reviewed journals and 50 book chapters to his credit. He has 11 patents and 1 copyright. He is editor in more than 8 books in Elsewhere, Springer Nature, and Intake Open publishers. His current research interests include nanomedicine, molecular pharmaceutics, particle engineering, and drug delivery for various therapeutic applications such as neurodegenerative cancer and neglected tropical diseases. He has DST Sir project of 30 lakhs ongoing. He has received grant of 55 lakh from Ayush, 15 lakh from UPCST. Sir, we welcome you on the ISFCP platform.
Thank you, Dr. Sanat Kumar, for such a kind introduction. Thank you, team ISF Moga.
Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, all members who are on my seat in the dais. Yeah, today's topic is very relevant to the current scenario, like innovation in pharmacy education and application of AI. We will be talking about the enhancing teaching learning practices through AI. So we will be having, because my background is basically pharmaceutics, so still we are like having a lot of talks on going on in AI, and we are using a lot of tools in AI, so we will be little bit talking about it. Yeah. My screen is visible. Yeah. Yes. So
Sir, yes, sir.
moving ahead. Yeah. Thank you. So my table of content will be today presentation will be revolving around the drug discovery to present real world application of the AI in pharmacy education and practices. So first of all, what is the objective is to explore innovation in the pharmacy education through, yeah, pardon? So screen is visible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is
Okay.
visible, sir.
Okay. So our objective of today's talk will be basically focusing on the drug discovery part and the AI tool in teaching and learning, and to explore the innovation in pharmacy education basically. So we will be talking about the traditional pharmacy education. There is insufficient current practices were basically from rote learning to competency based. We are moving toward AI through experimental learning, Pharmacy graduates often lack readiness for data-driven decision making in a clinical and manufacturing role. So that's why this in current scenario, learning AI, machine learning, and these big data tools are very relevant. So we will be talking about the like regulatory framework aligned with the US FDA, ICH guidelines. So emphasize quality by design, pharmacovigilance, and real-world data, which require modern teaching tools. So AI is very relevant for all these things. So in the pre-2000s, traditional lecture was through the chalk talk method. That was the basic tool, and content delivery was given by that. That is the focus basically. After 2000, the digital transition happens, and we have gone to the stage of PowerPoint, e-learning, e-resources, conceptual e-books. So conceptual understanding was there, the focus was there. Now from 2015 onwards, we are moving to the tech integrated AI driven. Virtual labs are there, AI tutors are there, LMS is there, like learning management is like tools for their various application, innovations, decision making is through the like technology driven, which is driven by now AI and machine learning, big data. So a lot of things came into the picture up to 2015. So key innovation in pharma education is basically simulation based learning, interprofessional education, case-based learning, digital analytics, AI-assisted teaching, virtual laboratories, virtual and augmented reality. Even we have seen a lot of VR games came into the picture. Even today, our kids are also like not liking a previous old video games. They are liking the VR games. So we have seen the lot of revolution happened in these few years. So how now the basics of the AI? What is basically the AI is? The simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and act like humans. It is taking the like approach using like neurology. So similar like they are developing a act like a human. So this is the basic concept behind the AI. Transformative technology used in various industrial technologies, including healthcare. AI in healthcare have been evolving dramatically over the last few years. Role of AI in pharmacy basically, which is our focus. AI driven innovation transforming drug discovery from de novo to chemistry based patient care, medication management, all are being revolutionized by the tool of AIs. Integrating AI into pharmacy curricula is needed to thrive in an increasing digital healthcare landscape. So now the time is requiring that AI should come into the pharmacy graduation course also, so that people can enhance their learning from it. So machine learning, deep learning, and neural network, these are the concept of AI basically. So history of AI, early ideas, Aristotle considered logic and reasoning. Leibniz and Boole developed the symbolic logic. So these are the starting of the AI from the Aristotle stage. Alan Turing proposed a theoretical model of computation. In 1957, official birth of AI happened. John McCarthy coined the term AI, artificial intelligence. Expert systems like ERA, Mycin, and Zacon for medical diagnosis, they have used the AI first time. Then rise of machine learning and big data. Deep learning revolutions and convolutions neural network, which is CNN, and recurrent neural networks, which is RNN, came into the picture in the deep learning revolutions. Then the modern era, which is the generative AI, like Chat GPT, which is the common buzzword among all of us. So it make our life easier. So moving ahead, AI-powered languages models such as ChatGPT, Bing AI, Cloud A, used to by students to draft assignment, learn complex topics interactively. But it should be used with decision making. It should not be misused. So moving ahead with a virtual patient simulations, body interact SIMMAN, Shadow Health, etc. help in practicing medication, counseling, diagnosis, and pharmacotherapeutic plannings. And adaptive learning platforms, Smart Sparrow, Century Tech, customizes learning paths based on student performance and pace. Plagiarism detection and academic integrity tools such as Turnitin, Authenticate, and Grammarly have become very common. Helps in paraphrasing, grammar errors, detection, citations, etc. So virtual and augmented reality, which are VR and AR, tools are like Labster and Z-Space. Simulation of lab environment reduces error in hands-on training, pharmacokinetics, visualization, AI in learning management system, LMS like Canvas, Model with AI plugins, performance analytics, content recommendation, and adjusting teaching synergies. So pharmacy education is interactive, personalized, and effective. So real world integration. So AI in drug discovery and development, AI for clinical decision support, AI powered medication adherence tools, pharmacovigilance, precision medicine and pharmacogenomics, robotics and AI powered dispensing system. Dispensing, we read the first lesson when we enter inside the graduate class of pharmacy. So all can be. Now I can go with few case study also afterward where the AI tool are used in dispensing even. So early computational approaches, AI in pharmaceutical and drug discovery. Early computational approaches came bioinformatics and machine learning emergence, integration of AI with bioinformatics, AI and big data transformation, modern AI driven drug discovery. AI basically is influencing all segments of the pharmaceuticals industry. So initial use of algorithm in drug development, which is CAD, computer aided drug designing, which is already well versed. We are like it is a 20 year before also, but it is now driven with the AI. So primarily centered around quantitative structure activity relationship QSAR, which establishes correlation between chemical structures and their biological activities. These models played a crucial role in predicting the pharmacological potential of the new compound based on the structural features. Expert systems were introduced to support decision making in medicinal chemistry. Direct, which is a deductive estimation of a risk from existing knowledge, which was developed to predict toxicity by leveraging a knowledge base of structural toxicity relationship. Such a system marked an early integration of artificial intelligence in drug discovery. Prediction of ADMET, absorption, distribution, metabolism, excretion, and toxicity. Even the liberation came into picture. So now it has become into LADMET. So which is have paved the way to control delivery system even. So bioinformatics has an interdisciplinary field that combines biology, computer science, and mathematics and statistics to connect the analyze and interpret biological data, especially large-scale databases such as genomics, proteomics, and metabolomics information. So role of bioinformatics in drug discovery, genome data analysis helps identify disease-related gene and the potential drug target by analyzing the DNA sequences. So protein structure prediction assists in understanding protein function and interaction, which is vital for a structure-based drug design. Biomarker identification facilitate the discovery of diagnostic. Now we can say theranostic also, which have a both therapeutic as well as diagnostic potential. Therapeutic biomarkers by integrating gene expression and clinical data. So pathway of and network analysis reveal biological pathway and interaction networks that are disrupted in a diseases, guiding rationals and drug designing, data integration and management, organizes diverse biological and chemical data into databases for effective retrieval, mining, and hypothesis generation. Bioinformatics and machine learning emergence from 90s to 2000. During 90s to 2000, the explosion of genomics and proteomics data driven by Human Genome Project, which is one of the biggest projects worldwide, which catalyzed the rise of bioinformatics as a critical discipline in drug discovery. Researchers increasingly rely on computational tools to manage, analyze, and interpret biological data. Simultaneously, machine learning techniques began gaining traction of CAD. These data-driven approaches enabled models to learn complex patterns from large biological and chemical data set, improving prediction related to drug likeness, ADMET, which is absorption, distribution, metabolism, excretion, and toxicity, and target interaction. Support vector machines, decision trees, neural networks were among the early machine learning algorithms adopted for tasks such as virtual screening, quantitative structure activity relationship, modeling, protein structure predictions. These periods marked a shift for rule-based data-driven decision making in a computational drug discovery. Pharmacophore modeling using ML, machine learning for virtual screening basically. Protein ligand docking simulations with AI enhanced scoring functions. AI and big data transformation after 2010 shift from traditional machine learning to deep learning. Deep learning approaches such as convolutional neural networks and recurrent neural networks (RNNs), superior performance in structural activity relationship prediction and drug target interaction modeling. Deep learning also enabled the integration of high dimensional omics data, which is proteomics, facilitating more accurate and personalized drug discovery and delivery. Key milestone. AtomNet in 2015, the first deep learning model developed specifically for drug discovery, designed to predict binding affinity between small molecules and protein target using 3D structural data. Benevolent AI and in silico medicine emerged as a pioneer in applying AI for hypothesis generation, target identification, and drug repurposing. Using a vast biomedical data set and natural language processing, real world success. In 2020, AI-driven platform played a crucial role in pandemic responses like baricitinib, an existing rheumatoid arthritis drug was identified by benevolent AI as a potential treatment for COVID-19, later validated in a clinical settings and granted emergency use authorizations of that drug. So in COVID-19, we have seen lot of AI tools have been used for the drug repurposing, and it has become like a buzzword that time. So AI at the core in a modern AI-driven drug discovery after 2020s, AI at the core of pharmaceutical R&D pipelines. Artificial intelligence has a transition from supporting tool to center engine in drug discovery. Generative AI models are used to design novel drug-like molecules with specified properties, accelerating to hit to lead and lead optimization stage. A landmark achievement was release of AlphaFold 2 by DeepMind in 2021, which achieved near experimental accuracy in predicting 3D protein structures. Current capabilities and innovation. De novo drug design using generative adversarial network GANs and variation autoencoders WISE. Digital twins like virtual models of patient allow prediction of individual drug responses supporting personalized medicine. So AI is also transforming clinical trial design and management by optimizing patient recruitment, predicting trial outcomes, and reducing overall time and cost. Notably, industry adoption. The first AI designed drug candidate to enter clinical trial, DSP 1181, for obsessive compulsive disorder in 2020. So this was the big beginning where we have reduced the cost, we have reduced the time by using the AI tool in a drug discovery. And everybody knows this is the first sector when we read $1 billion are used for discovery, and it reduces the time and even the cost. So BioXcel Therapeutics leverage AI for drug repurposing in neuropsychiatric and rare diseases, accelerating the development treatment with a known safety profiles. So drug discovery and development is a challenge and a complex scientific journey. Using AI ML tool, it can be simplified. Use of computational technique, dependable scoring function to access the binding affinity. One such example, ANN, artificial neural networks, has shown great potential in computer-aided drug design. ML has been reported to be more efficient than standard QSR approaches. So like Campbell, PubChem, DeepTalks, DeepChem, AlphaFold, Drug Bank, various AI tool used in a drug discovery and development. So application of AI in drug discovery and development, going in more detail, like AI in drug discovery, AI in polypharmacology, AI in life sciences. So in AI in drug discovery, like target identification, primary drug screening, lead identification, secondary drug screening, AI in polypharmacology, like determination of off-target effect, aspirin. So in life sciences, like traditional Chinese medicine or multi-omics data integration, it is used. AI in drug design, like 3D structure of target proteins, drug protein interaction, de novo drug designing, advanced drug designing. So AI in drug development, like patient selection for clinical trial, AI in drug repurposing, like cancer disease repurposing, SARS-CoV-2 repurposing, Alzheimer disease repurposing. So lot of repurposing has been done using the AI tool. So AI for molecule selection in drug discovery and development, like 1D descriptor, 2D, 3D descriptor, SPER. So lot of things has been used using the computational AI ML approaches. So AI for clinical decision support system. AI-based software tools that provide real-time recommendation to healthcare professionals for making evidence-based clinical decisions. So simulated clinical scenarios, CDSS, simulated clinical scenarios like HER, Go, SimChart, OpenCDS. These are the AI tools like we are using for clinical decision support system. Drug selection, dose adjustment, drug-drug interactions, contraindication, patient-specific therapy planning, like if patient is going through hepatic surgery or renal some impairment is there, so we can have a dose adjustment of that patient using these AI tools. Medication safety and ADR, advanced drug reporting predictions, teaching pharmacogenomics through these tools. Drug utilization reviews projects we can do through AI tools. So AI-powered medication adherence tools. These are the smart digital tools, apps, devices, platform that use AI to monitor, predict, improve patient adherence by analyzing behavior, remainder, and biometric data. They can be applied in pharmacy education, like patient counseling, simulation, case-based learning, interdisciplinary education, interprofessionalism, research, and projects. Mobile app with AI reminders, facial recognition, is smart pill bottle monitor, patient adherence, AI analysis, behavioral pattern to send personalized nudges, AI cure, MedSafe, Proteus, digital health. These are the different already used AI tools. AI functions in pharmacovigilance like NLP, natural language processing, machine learning, data mining algorithms. Chatbots and virtual agents help in automation of spontaneous reporting in real time through chatbots. Real world data integration using AI surveillance system like FDA Sentinels. So machine learning for prediction of risk pattern, early identification. So Argus Safety Oracle database like VG base fairs. So these are the different tools we are using for that. And precision made and pharmacogenomics. Now, like we are talking a lot about the precision made medicines. So again, AI is very useful for that. Interpret pharmacogenomic test results, use AI tool to match drug therapy to genetic profiles, understand ethical and regulatory issues in genetic data usage, participate in case-based precision medicine simulation lab. So basically, it is helping in pharmacogenomics, means study of how genetic variation influence a person's response to drug. So farm, GKB, CPIC, Jain site, USKIP, these are the various tools of AI which are employing for precision medicine and pharmacogenomics. So robotics in pharma education. So in many university of US, even dispensing has been taught by using robotics. So dispensing, compounding, inventory management through ERP like enterprise resource planning, SAP, error reduction, like Six Sigma principle we try to implement so that minimum error happens in and medication delivery. So tools like Script Pro SP 200, Riva, Parata, Max, TUG, Robot prepare student for 10 driven pharmacy jobs, improves knowledge of hospital and industrial automation, enhances decision making by simulating error proof system. So AI in teaching learning practices. So personalized learning through Smart Sparrow, Socrates, virtual teaching assistant like Zill Watson and Georgia Tech, automated assessment and feedback reduces teachers' workload by grading instant quizzes and assignment, predictive analysis through Canvas analytics, recommend early interventions, identify risk learners, etc. Simulations and virtual labs, my dispense, SimFarm, simulation of lab environment reduces error in hands-on training. So accessibility and language translation through Google AI. So gamified learning through Quiz AI. So AI isn't replacing the teacher; it is empowering them basically. So it is the most empowering tool for teachers to bring the next gen pharmacist into the practices basically. So what are the challenges and limitations? Every good thing has some challenges and limitations. So high cost of implementation is there, lack of emotional touch in AI is there, data privacy and security concern is there, quality and bias, resistance from faculty, infrastructure gaps are there, dependence on internet is there. So AI can never replace a compassionate educator. So always educator or teacher can use this tool to bring new gen students and pharmacists to the world community. So case study, just we are talking about like Script Pro, which is a robotic dispensing integration in curriculum. University of Pittsburgh of United States already have implemented it and integrated robotic system like Script Pro, Parata into pharmacy lab training they are using there. So it is a good case study where improved readiness for hospital and retail pharmacy settings is there. So the pharmacist going should be well trained in AIs. Promoted understanding of AI-driven quality control. SimFarm, which is a AI-driven clinical simulation tool, real-time clinical decision-making simulation using AI to prevent evolving patient conditions. Impact is improved critical thinking, mimics the actual hospital environment. So other case study are like DSP 1181, which is AI drug design. Then the baricitinib, we have already discussed drug repurposing, very good example. AlphaFold, which is using by DeepMind, protein structure prediction, solve the critical bottleneck in a drug design, mRNA LNP optimization, MIT nano formulation prediction, enhanced delivery to gene therapies, cyclical drug platforms, polypharmacology formulation, beta safety efficacy in a drug delivery, IBM Watson for trial, patient trial matching, faster, more inclusive clinical recruitment. So these are the basically very good case study on the AI. So we can go in more details if we explore in internet about it. Yeah. So implementation suggestions like curriculum integration, faculty development and training, collaborate with the industry and technology platforms, pilot projects, ethical and regulatory framework, invest in infrastructure. So conclusive remark in my present talk is basically AI is revolutionizing pharmacy education through personalized learning, simulation-based training, predictive analytics, and virtual interaction. Tools like MyDispense, SimFarm, CDSS and AI tutors are bridging the gap between the theoretical knowledge and the practical application. Despite challenges such as data privacy, infrastructure gaps, and faculty resistance, thoughtful implementation can yield transformative outcomes. AI integration is not just a technical shift, it is a paradigm shift. Basically, it is a paradigm shift in how we teach, learn, and deliver patient care. Thank you all. These are the references, and this is my lab. If you get a time sometimes, welcome to NIPER. And these are my current students who passed out and few are still working with me. Thank you. If you have any query, any question, you can mail me or you can ask me now. Thank you. Thank you for giving me opportunity to discuss these things. Thank you, Dr. Sana.
Thank you, sir. Before concluding this lecture, I would like to invite respected director, sir, for his final comment.
Namaskar, sir.
Namaskar. Good afternoon, Dr. Rahul ji. So, thank you very much for accepting our invitation and provide the opportunity to the listener, faculty members, and number of the peoples they are connect with our YouTube channel as well as the online. So, I am pleased to inform you, Dr. Rahul ji, total we have the more than 400 of the registration for this FDP from the 22 states and more than 150 of the institutions, they are university as well as the colleges, and all lectures they are recorded and available our YouTube channel. We will also provide link to you so that we will take the more and more benefit, because this is the time of the era of the digitalization as well as the artificial intelligence. So, Dr. Rahul ji, you have given the very excellent information related to the application, especially in the drug discovery and the development, and you have considered all the aspects which are required for the healthcare system, for the production as well as the how we can apply the artificial intelligence in the synthesis to the final up to the final dosage form. So each and every parameter you have included. So I just want to, I think you know more about the ISF College of Pharmacy.
Yes,
Whenever
sir.
whenever you can visit this area, you're welcome, because our research team of the pharmaceutical chemistry, pharmacology, sutix, pharmacognosy, pharmacy practice, they all are involved in the research activity more and more. And I also want to personally visit your institute, because our senior madam, she was there as a director, and I feel that we can connect with you. We have the MOU with the NIPER Mohali, and I also extend our MOU with the NIPER Bareilly also. So
Thank you
thank
so
you
much,
very
sir,
much.
for your kind words.
So thank you very much, Dr. Rahul ji, and thank you to organizing committee member for provide this opportunity to interact such types of the dynamic, dedicated, and young scientists. And this is the obviously time of the young peoples, because they are more and more aware about the technology, more and more about they are the using the latest concept of the techno. They most probably they are the highly technocrat. At that time, when I did the B farm and M farm, there is the hardly one of the HPLC, and it will take the long queue for the do the work, or they can be only show just like a demonstration. But nowadays, this types of the facilities is in your tips, and you have the so many sophisticated instrument availability as well. You are the handling day by day. So obviously, more precision, more effective, and nowadays throughout the world we are not dependent upon the literature and data from the, you can say, worldwide. Recently our government of India, they have the announced that we have the 250 of the drug molecules we are purchasing from the China, and near about the 83 of the intermediate out of 83, 24 of the intermediate we are the fully dependent on the China. So this is the right time to the youngster to work on it and give them, they will take the more opportunity, and to hand we need to the do the work with our the government, state government, and need to strengthen our profession. So obviously I know that just like a SAS Nagar recently doing the work in the number of the drug molecule which are available or not available, what they want to establish them and Himachal government provide the one of the BRIC platform, and openly they invited the proposal. The purpose only this one. We want to develop the API, and only the intermediate. They don't want to the develop the finished product, because we are the very huge infrastructure in the production in the dosage form healthcare system. What we have the less infrastructure in the form of the API. So I hope that people those are the listening like that, you can apply the AI, you can apply your concept to increase the yield value. And only the reason behind this one, we are the purchasing our API from the China due to the region of the cost. So how we can reduce the cost, this is the also one of the important parameter to each and every scientist. How we can economize the things, how we can utilize our infrastructure resource person, so that it can be helpful, and it will be the helpful by the obviously we can utilize the latest technology of the artificial intelligence in each and everywhere, so that we can reduce the cost of the product. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Most welcome to Lucknow. Anytime when you come, we want to see you in IPR. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. I think sir has summarized all the things which has been covered in the sir's lecture. In last, I would like to emphasize the last line of conclusion that was mentioned by the sir, that AI is definitely revolutionize the education, not only the pharmacy education, as well as the different sectors in education, as well as in health care sector. So we have to work, we have to accelerate and explore these dimensions also in our pharmacy research. So sir, ISF College of Pharmacy is thankful to you for sparing your uh, valuable time and providing vast knowledge to our audience on this AI aspects, including some aspects of pharmaceutics, as well as medicinal chemistry, and some as well as the devices in the form devices to incorporate some pharmacology. Sir, thank you again from ISFCB
Thank you
family.
so much. Thank you so much, Dr. For your kind
Thank you,
introduction
sir.
and kind. Yeah, yeah. So thank
Thank
you.
you, sir. Thank you, sir.